వెల్కమ్ టు తెలుగు ఐక్యూ. సో ఈ వీడియోలో లిస్ట్ ఆఫ్ ఇంటర్నేషనల్ ఎయిర్పోర్ట్స్ ఆఫ్ ఇండియా గురించి నేను మీకు ఇన్ఫర్మేషన్ ఇవ్వబోతున్నాను. సో ఫస్ట్ ఇంటర్నేషనల్ ఎయిర్పోర్ట్ రాజీవ్ గాంధీ ఇంటర్నేషనల్ ఎయిర్పోర్ట్. ఇట్ ఈస్ ఇన్ హైదరాబాద్. ఇట్ ఈస్ ఇన్ ద స్టేట్ ఆఫ్ తెలంగాణ. సెకండ్ ఇంటర్నేషనల్ ఎయిర్పోర్ట్ శ్రీ గురు రామ్దాస్ జీ ఇంటర్నేషనల్ ఎయిర్పోర్ట్. ఇట్ ఈస్ ఇన్ అమృత్సర్ ఇన్ ద స్టేట్ ఆఫ్ పంజాబ్. Next question. Next airport, international airport, Lokapriya Gopinath Bardoloi International Airport. It is in Guwahati. It is in the state of Assam. Fourth one, Bizu Patnaik International Airport in the city of Bhubaneswar in the state of Odisha. Fifth, Gaya Airport. It is in Gaya. It is in Bihar state. Sixth international airport, Indira Gandhi International Airport in New Delhi in Delhi state. Seventh, Veer Savarkar International Airport. It is in the city of Port Blair in the Union Territory of Andaman and Nicobar Islands. Eighth question, eighth international airport, Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel International Airport in the city of Ahmedabad in Gujarat. Next, ninth bit, Kempegowda International Airport. It is in the city of Bengaluru in the state of Karnataka. 10th one, Mangalore International Airport in the city of Mangalore in Karnataka. 11th, Cochin International Airport in the city of Kochi in Kerala. 12th one, Calicut International Airport in the city of Kozhikode in Kerala. Next, Trivandrum International Airport in the city of Thiruvananthapuram in the state of Kerala. 14th one, Chhatrapati Shivaji Maharaj International Airport in the city of Mumbai in the state of Maharashtra. 15th one, Dr. Baba Saheb Ambedkar International Airport in the city of Nagpur in the state of Maharashtra. 16th one, Jaipur International Airport in the city of Jaipur in the state of Rajasthan. 17th one, Chennai International Airport in the city of Madras in the state of Tamil Nadu. 18th one, Tiruchirappalli International Airport in the city of Tiruchirappalli in the state of Tamil Nadu. 19th one, Chaudhary Charan Singh International Airport in Lucknow, Uttar Pradesh. 20th one, Lal Bahadur Shastri International Airport in Varanasi, Uttar Pradesh. 21st one, Netaji Subhash Chandra Bose International Airport in Kolkata in West Bengal. So next one, Kannur International Airport in Kannur, Kerala. Surat Airport, Surat, Gujarat. Devi Ahilya Bai Holkar Airport, Indore, Madhya Pradesh. Next one, 25th one, Dabolim Airport in the city of Dabolim in Goa. 26th one, Coimbatore International Airport in the city of Coimbatore in the state of Tamil Nadu. 27th one, Sheikh Ul Alam International Airport in the city of Srinagar in the state of Jammu and Kashmir. 28th one, Impal International Airport in the city of Impal in the state of Manipur. Madurai Airport, Madurai, Tamil Nadu. Bagdogra International Airport in the city of Siliguri in the state of West Bengal. Mangalore International Airport, so I'll repeat Mangalore in Karnataka. Next, Chandigarh International Airport in the state of Chandigarh. Next, Nashik Airport in the city of Nashik, Maharashtra. And last but not least, Vadodara Airport in the city of Vadodara. It is in the state of Gujarat. So thank you so much for watching. Keep loving, keep subscribing, keep following Telugu IQ for more important updates. Thank you.